Hey guys, it's Danica. I'm going to show you guys today how to turn this bed into this one, and I'm so excited to show you the process. The feature wall you see that just mysteriously happened in the background, that's going to be my next DIY, so tune in next week. So this DIY is sponsored by my friends at Kent Building Supplies and PolySleep Canada. PolySleep is a company I'm so excited to work with because they have a ton of benefits. And at the end of the video, I've got an awesome discount code for you guys to save 15%. I figured the best way to show you guys how I was building the bed would be to draw it out. I didn't follow any plans. I just sort of envisioned the way I wanted my base to be. So stick with me here and I'm going to show you exactly what I did. So my king size mattress, 80 inches long and 76 inches wide. So the way I'm going to find my footboard is going to be my 76 inches plus my two 8-inch side slats. So 76 plus 8 plus 8. My full footboard is 92 inches long. So for the sideboards, it's going to be the same process, except 80 inches long, or whatever your mattress is, plus 8 inches at the bottom. Since we're putting a headboard directly at the top, you will not add 8 inches twice. Slats are super easy. They are just the width of whatever mattress size. So in this case, 76 inches. To make it a little bit easier for you guys, down below I have listed all the dimensions if you're doing a king size bed. If you're not doing a king size bed, don't worry about it. Just tweak all of your measurements to your mattress size. These plans will work for any size bed. So moving on to my shop time, this is where you're going to cut everything to size and then decide what's the front and what's the back. Some pieces have a little bit more knots than the other. Some have a little bit better grain. That's up to you. I think the key to making this bed look almost exactly like my inspiration photos is to pick out your boards that have the least amount of knots in them and sand right to a 300 grit. Same goes for the 2x10s that you're going to use for your frame. Not as much. Mine have a couple more knots than I would like, but you really don't see them because it's such a low profile bed. Then cut some triangles on 45 degrees, PL them to the bed frame, and that's what's going to hold your pine up. These pieces are also going to get PL'd onto the bed. The reason why we're doing that is because this whole structure will then be one side panel. If you ever move and need to take your bed apart, you just remove these screws down here. This structure will be the baseboard, and then that will be its own solid piece. So once the PL dries, then you're just gonna have 3 pieces and the headboard to put together. So it's gonna be super simple. Do that for all 3 sides. Once the PL dries, you're going to be able to take your bed apart in 4 different sections: the right side, left side, footboard, and headboard. So you're now watching me put together the headboard. It's super simple. I cut the 4 posts to be the height of the headboard plus the height of the bed. So in my case, it's 32 inches from the ground. I already sanded them in my workshop and then just screw them in from the back. If you're going to glue anything, glue the posts to the boards, but do not glue the headboard to the bed. Now we're going to put the slats in. Since the slats of the bed are made from 2x4s, I'm just simply taking a 2x4, drawing a line around it, and then I'm going to put a support underneath and the slats will sit on top. The PolySleep mattress actually doesn't require a box spring. It has a built-in support frame in the mattress itself. And the cool part about that, it's the only one of its kind. On to my favorite part, the stain, the icing on the cake. It's what's going to take this plain pine bed to the next level. I pulled up my inspiration photo on my laptop and then just freehanded how I want it to look. She didn't really care about the bed. That's all she wanted to do.
Shut my other window.
Thanks for watching, guys. And if you're thinking about getting your own PolySleep mattress, use the discount code DCSleep15 or the link below to get yours at 15% off. What do you think about the mattress? Ah. This is my bed.
Better than the other one.
And I'm going to sleep all by myself. That means no one comes in at 4 a.m., right?
No.
I'm going to sleep all by myself.
No. If Leah is watching this, she's my friend.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's my friend. I'm going to say, hi, Leah.